Aruhan Kumar. I'm a grade 12 student here at ЮВИС. I got a 1550 from SAT and 103 from TOEFL. I started preparing for SAT 4 or 5 months before my exam. For TOEFL, I started about a week before my exam. I started learning English here at ЮВИS since first grade. I started preparing for SAT about 5 months prior to my exam, and I study about 2 hours a day, 6 days a week. For TOEFL, I started studying 1 week before my exam. I studied about 2 hours a day for a week. I found SAT to be significantly much more difficult than TOEFL, maybe because of the fact that the vocabulary in the reading questions was much more complex, and the texts were much more harder to grasp at first. And it also had the math section, which occasionally had a few difficult questions. I started studying in ЮВИС at around first grade, and since the coursework here at ЮВИS is primarily in English, it helped me to build the foundational skills required for TOEFL and SAT. For TOEFL, I had expected to score around this much, but for SAT, I was very excited because I didn't expect to score 1550. I would advise them to read more books, watch more movies in English, and start early, maybe 9th, 10th grade, and do as many practice tests as they can for SAT, for TOEFL, for IELTS, because that's the best method of preparation.